Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you a fun portable monitor stand that'll actually make your portable monitor experience a lot better and give you a more ergonomic experience. So let's get this open and show you exactly how this works. It's very simple. One of the things that we do to try to make it nice and easy and portable and something that you want to carry with you is we put the stand into its protective carrying bag right out of the box. So you always have a nice little stand, a nice little home for your stand when you put it in your bag so it doesn't scratch up anything and it stays nice and shiny. So it is a full metal stand here. I'm going to place it. It's got grip feet so it doesn't move around too much and it holds your portable monitor safely in place. You can see here, you set it up just like this, and it gives you swivel capabilities all the way 360. I have a portable monitor right here, and we can see here, position it as you like it, swivel it as you want it, and just makes your portable monitor experience a little bit easier, a little bit nicer with a small stand that you can carry with you, and it is in a portable case. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the portable monitor stand. We hope you pick up one of these because it really helps to solidify the wonderful portable experience that you get with ViewSonic portable monitors. And we think this is just another nice accessory. Makes your setup look nice and makes your setup a little bit easier on your eyes because it moves it up into your eye line. Please watch this space for more exciting unboxings and product demos from ViewSonic.